We will declare state of emergency in southeast if security forces are attacked again. Buratai warned governors. The Nigerian Army General Tukur Buratai has warned that the alleged killings and attacks against the Nigerian security forces are highly disregarded. According to Daily Trust, it was revealed that the military spokesman said that the Nigerian security agencies are no longer safe in southeast region. He went further stating that the Nigerian Army General may be forced to declare state of emergency in all southeastern region in order to restore peace and normalcy. Meanwhile, the military personnel has been forced to wear mufti in Enugu State in order to observe the activities of the unknown group disarming the security forces in the state. Thank you for listening to this news. No problem. No problem. You can go on with your state of emergency. I don't know what is the reply gotten from the Igbo leaders to Buratai. But to me, I'll tell him to go on. Then they can now be able to see to themselves the evil people, the people behind the scene. You're talking about security force being attacked. In the security force and the people who are attacking who are the one attacking themselves? Is it the peaceful and harmless IPOP members who are alone having their peaceful meeting, and the security force or security agent came and attacked them? Are they the one attacking the security force? Or is it the poor farmers who are busy in their farm working, and the herdsmen invade their farm with their cow and start grazing on their farmlands? And now, are they now the one attacking the security force and causing menace in the states? Or is it the poor market women and market men who are in the south, who are selling peacefully in their market before these Fulani cattle bearers forcefully invade the market, requesting for a space for a cattle market. In the process of not giving them, they start butchering and killing them brutally. Are they now the one challenging the security force? Even this idea of security men going on mufti in order to checkmate and get hold of those who are causing this problem in the southeast, I like that. If only they can be sincere, they will be able to get hold of these hoodlums. But one thing I will tell you for sure is that the Igbos you will not see the Igbos getting involving themselves in this crime. I'm telling you, I'm betting you that. That's why I am fully in support of this idea of yours. You go on with whatever decision you have decided. You go on with it. The southeastern people are very much okay. You see, to my Igbo leaders, this message is for you. All people can see what is now going on. and the decision that is about to be taken. You see that you people's idea of supporting the federal government is now backfiring on you people right now. You can see this is what you people supposed to have done since, supporting your Igbo brothers, so that this mess will be completely put off finally. Instead, you chose to be in support of Nigerian government, and now the Nigerian government that you people are supporting are now against you people now. This warning is coming from Buratai to the Southeast governors. Okay? Oh yeah. What will be your response to Buratai? What will be your response? I don't think you have anything to say. One bit you don't have. There is nothing you can say because you have sold yourself to the government. You have sold yourselves to this administration. You have. You people were thinking that you'll be favored by supporting this administration, unknown to you that this administration have their hidden agenda, and that hidden agenda is what they are gradually achieving. Well, it's good. Let us keep seeing and keep experiencing this. Our Igbo leaders. Our Igbo leaders are the problem of Igbo. They are the problem of Igbo. And they will never know that. Look at Nyanwodo lamenting that Yeti Allah are now calling on Buhari to improve their decision of Islamizing Nigeria. Have you seen that? Have you seen? So now that they have seen that their plan is already getting near achievement, they have now decided to hit the nail on the head by doing what this administration see as long time seek to achieve. They will never succeed in Jesus' name. So far Christ is on the throne, this will never happen. So my viewers, what's your take? What's your observations? Please don't hesitate to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.